Create augmented reality apps, no coding required. Lowering the bar for AR development will lead to a breakthrough for enterprise AR adoption. Augmented reality for the enterprise is still such a burgeoning technology that it's been impractical for many SMBs to create their own custom apps. Like the early days of web dev and mobile apps, the options have been hiring a specialist to go custom or using a white label. A company called ScopeAR, which we've been tracking, is among the first to offer web-based AR authorship that requires no coding, though it's a safe bet the technology is about to proliferate as mixed reality gains broader enterprise adoption. About a year and a half after the original Apple App Store launched, developers finally learned how to leverage a touch screen to build engaging and useful user interfaces, and app development exploded, Scott Montgomerie, co-founder and CEO of ScopeAR, told me in late 2018. AR app development requires a whole new way of thinking. Much like the iPhone's user experience required a transition from mouse and keyboard interaction to touch, AR experiences require a new method of interaction. It will also require a very low bar for developers, which is where ScopeAR's WorkLink represents a turning of the tides for AR development and adoption. The web-based platform empowers aerospace, medical device, and industrial professionals to quickly create their own augmented reality content without any coding or 3D modeling expertise. We set out to make the creation of 3D AR content as fast and easy as recording iMovie or creating a PowerPoint, says Montgomerie. Using our technology platform, any user can easily author their specific knowledge into WorkLink to be widely consumed for training, complex assembly, and field service troubleshooting. WorkLink, which is designed for special use industries, utilizes a browser-based workflow that natively accepts an array of CAD file formats. Users transform their engineering model files and place them within a mixed reality scene. Animation and motion can be added, along with annotated work instructions. It's all drag and drop, on PAR with Paint by Numbers web dev services or slideshow creators. VERGE3D, another early tool for no-coding AR development, includes a visual logic editor, as well, and it's a safe bet we're going to see more examples of this barrier-crushing technology. WorkLink is specifically designed for use within organizations. According to the company, commercial use cases include training, commercial education, service, and support of advanced medical capital equipment such as robotic surgery, COVID-19 testing equipment, and sports medicine. WorkLink Create empowers enterprise workforces amidst the unprecedented resource constraints and travel restrictions due to the COVID-19 pandemic, says Montgomerie. We accomplished this by improving on the organizational and technical bottlenecks for AR content, thereby helping our customers to maximize continuity in their operations. Apple's first augmented reality headset is coming next year, says analyst. Apple's long-rumored augmented reality glasses could arrive next year, according to an Apple Watcher. The next wearable from Apple will be a helmet-type augmented reality device that could be ready for sale by 2022, according to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo in some research that was seen by Macrumers. Apple has been playing around with AR concepts for years, as has been seen in various patents showing that its engineers are figuring out how to optimally integrate sensors into a head-mounted display or glasses. Apple CEO Tim Cook has been publicly talking up AR for years, too, and the company has laid the foundations for it with ARKit, its AR app development platform for iOS. Kuo, who has a reputation for accurate predictions about Apple's next products, reckons Apple will release a mixed reality headset in mid-2022 and follow it up with AR glasses by 2025. This would put Apple in competition with Microsoft's HoloLens headset and the Magic Leap 1. We predict that Apple's MR/AR product roadmap includes 3 phases: helmet type by 2022, glasses type by 2025, and contact lens type by 2030-2040, writes Kuo. We foresee that the helmet product will provide AR and VR experiences, while glasses and contact lens types of products are more likely to focus on AR applications. Apple apparently wants to get the weight of the headset down to 100 to 200 grams, or about half of what its current prototypes weigh. Microsoft's second-generation HoloLens weighs 566 grams and costs a hefty $3,500. Kuo reckons Apple will offer a much cheaper headset that starts at around $1,000, roughly the price of a high-end iPhone. There have been lots of rumors about an Apple-made AR headset. The information reported recently that Apple's AR headset would have over a dozen cameras to track hand movements, 8K displays, and an eye tracker. The device would also support Apple's service revenue plans, integrating with Apple TV and Apple Arcade.